Why are you so anxious about clothing? Consider the lilies of the field, how they grow. They neither toil nor spin. If God so clothes the grass, how much more will he clothe you? This well-known passage from the Bible is believed to have been spoken by Jesus. It has many levels of meaning and interpretations, but if we interpret it as contemplatives, it can be understood as an endorsement of selfless action. Selfless action is also known as non-doership in Far Eastern traditions. Selfless action isn't merely unselfish action, nor is it action that puts others before yourself. It is actually something deeper and much more radical. It is action within which there is literally no self and no other. For this reason, you could say that it is non-dual action. It is in letting go of the self, and through selfless, non-dual action, that oneness, completeness, and wholeness are revealed.